What is an IMU? It is an inertial measurement unit. It is a piece of telemetry. In other words, it is an instrument on our drone that actually subdivides into 3 separate instruments. In other words, an IMU is like a house. And in this house, there are 3 devices working together. The 3 that it has is the compass, the accelerometer, and the gyroscope. Okay, so let's backtrack. So the compass is an easy one. What does it measure? Direction. Okay, so you have your IMU, you have your compass to measure direction. We're going north now, we're going south now. Okay, so on and so forth. You then have the accelerometer, which measures then, yeah, that's your speed. Okay, I could see where the confusion came in. Okay, so that's your speed. How fast, how slow are we going? What does the gyroscope do? Ah, good job. The gyroscope tells you your angle. In other words, your attitude. What is aircraft attitude? Direction of the nose. So this is a straight and level attitude. This is a nose up attitude. This is a face down attitude. Do we get the picture? How does a gyroscope work? If you guys want to see something cool, go and research, go and watch a YouTube video about gyroscopes. But ultimately it's a ball. And there's a ring around the ball, and there's a ring around that ring around the ball. If this ring is straight, then it means that we know the thing is going straight. But if this ring is like this, then we know that the thing is leaning to the right. If this ring is like this, then we know that the thing is doing something like this. That's how your gyroscope works. It uses the rings. If the ring like this is straight and the ring like this is straight, then it's just going straight and level. But if this ring is off, then we know that it's doing something. If this ring is off, then we know that it's doing something. Does that make sense? I don't know how it works, actually. All I know is that that is how it is designed. So I don't know how it works in terms of magnetic fields and stuff like that.